Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Sakshi Induja. Hi.
So you're a part of the BLC Nai Soch or
Yes, I am a part of BLC Nai Soch. It has been a pleasure to join this group. In Nai Soch, we have come out with different programs, and this time we have come out with Fitness Funda. As we all know, the fitness is the in thing. It is the latest mantra. So here we did a lot of exercises, we did meditation, we did Zumba dancing, and we learned Bukwa. So it has been fun, as well as it made us become fitter. We all know that we youth are the foundation of the nation, the future. So with the youth becoming fit, here in Nai Soch, we are making a strong foundation for the nation, a fit nation, a healthy nation. Also, today we pledged to keep the environment clean. So all of us will take effort to remain fit and healthy and keep our nature and environment clean. So make a beautiful country, make beautiful India. Thank you.
Hello Shobha ji. Shobha Kalro, the National President of Sindhi Council of India and the President of BLC, that is Bangalore Ladies Chapter, would put some light on the new group Nai Soch and its upcoming events and the event which happened today, that was Fitness Funda for all the youngsters and not so young too.
Good morning. It's nice to be here seeing all the youth around me, surrounding me. We have started with Swachh Bharat, that we should keep our city clean. It is connected with the health. So we have kept Health Funda, and there is Bukwa, and there is Morning Glory, meditation, and Zumba. I think it's all connecting with the health. So we started off with Swachh Bharat to keep our city clean and Bangalore clean. Especially Bangalore is so a cosmopolitan city that everybody likes to come to Bangalore. So it's called the Garden City of India. So we all plan it in such a way that we should keep our city clean. So if we do it, our youth will follow us up and do the same thing. And I should tell you this, that BLC has been doing a commendable job. It has been wonderful to be a part of it as being the National President of Bangalore Ladies Chapter plus Sindhi Council of India. I have got a lot of MLAs in the group, in the committee, which are helping us throughout all round the corner 24/7, and it has been very, very nice to work with this youth, because they have given us that full percentage of being with us and helping us out, and especially the girls. They were in and out whenever we called them for the practice, and the boys also. Zumba boys also have been very, very good, and not forgetting my managing committee who has been along with us. Now the youth have decided to take us to an ashram, old age ashram, to give some time and underprivileged children. So I am really, really impressed by them. And I'm so sure that they will be doing much better than what we are doing. And I'm really happy that you all have come to cover it up for Sindhu Darshan TV. It's all my thanks to them, and I appreciate all you being with me. Thank you. Was it okay?
So you're taking even the youth in your stride and guiding them?
Definitely, I'm guiding them. Without guidance, it doesn't go work. So I have got youth, plus I have got some of the elder members on the advisory board. So, they will be guiding us, so we will be guiding the youth. So the train has to follow.
But surely even the youth need your support to even get along with anything.
Definitely, we are always there, but I would like them to proceed to be in the forefront. We are always there to help them. And I think they are going to do really remarkable, whatever they do.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, now we have Mr. Lalchand Ahuja. And now we have with us Mr. Lalchand Ahuja, who's been a very great support to all the events of the BLC. So we shall have a word with him. Morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम. हेलो, हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं, नई सोच कर रहे हैं, शोभा मैडम हम लोग करा रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा करा रहे हैं, फर्स्ट क्लास कर रहे हैं. हम लोग 60 साल के, मगर 30 साल हो गए, हम लोग इतना जवान बन गया करते करते. नई सोच इतना अच्छा है, फर्स्ट क्लास है. सब शोभा डीडी का मेहरबानी है. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Now we have Mr. Jagdish Kandhari with us. Let's have a word. Let's ask him about the group and how it's coming up.
I'm very glad to see the Nai Soch coming so forward. They started with the Julelal, Save Water, and today we have reached Swachh Bangalore and the Fitness Funda. I am so lucky that we are enrolled in this, and I would like to look forward that all the youngsters and middle-aged people should join with us. Thanks to Shobha Didi and you all.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, here's Mr. Ashok Sachdev. He's on the advisory board of Nai Soch. So let's ask him how the group is.
See, the group is started by, basically started by the BLC group. Under the BLC, this is the Nai Soch group. It is there to just promote the youngsters. As we had done this fitness camp. After this, we'll be doing couple of other things also, and to bring awareness in lot of way regarding health, swachhata, and other things to the youngsters among our community.
You need to guide the youngsters to follow you.
Definitely, we are there behind them. Youngsters are more sensible than us. They know how to do. Just we need to push them forward.
So they would always expect your support.
Definitely, and we always are behind them.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Hello, sir. Good morning. Jai Jhulelal.
जय झूलेलाल.
Kamal Khilnani, a part of Nai Soch, and he's a part of the Seva Dal. तो असां इन्हनि खां कुझु पुछूं था नई सोच भई कीअं ग्रुप हले थी ऐं कीअं इन्हनि खे भई सपोर्ट करनि था.
सभिनी सिंधी भाउर ऐं भेनरनि खे मुंहिंजो प्यार भरो नमस्कार ऐं ॿारनि खे प्यार. जय झूलेलाल सभिनी खे. नई सोच जो नालो ई जेकॾहिं तव्हां ॾिसो त नालो ई बिल्कुलु अलॻि आहे. नई ऐं सोच इहा असांखे जवान माण्हुनि खे इंस्पायर कंदी आहे भई असां अॻियां वधूं, सुठो कमु कयूं. नई सोच जॾहिं स्टार्ट थी हुई तॾहिं असांजो स्टार्टिंग में क्या हुआ था, पहिरियों पाणी बचाइण जो सोच खणी आया, हुन जे लाइ रैली कढियऊं. हुन खां पोइ बॉलिंग एली में सभिनी मेंबरनि खे एनरोल करण लाइ हिकिड़ी बॉलिंग एली जो इवेंट रखियऊं. हाणे नई सोच जी फंड आहे फिटनेस. चुस्त रहो ऐं अॻियां वधो, प्लस पंहिंजे घर खे, पंहिंजे सिटी बैंगलोर खे ऐं पंहिंजे देश खे क्लीन रखो. एकदम क्लीनलीनेस मेंटेन कयो ऐं अॻियां वधो. असां नेक्स्ट इवेंट नई सोच जो नेक्स्ट संडे 7 डिसंबर ते आहे. असां नई सोच ऐं JMD, असांजो ग्रुप JMD ग्रुप आहे. JMD मतिलबु जय माता दी ग्रुप. असां हुनखे हेड कंदा आहियूं. असां नंढे ॿारनि खे वृद्ध आश्रम में वञी करे ऐं अनाथ आश्रम में वञी करे उन्हनि जा नीड्स पूरा कंदा आहियूं ॾाढे नंढे नमूने. त नई सोच असां सां गॾु जुड़ी करे नेक्स्ट संडे उहो असां कार्यक्रम शुरू था कयूं. सभिनी खे थैंक यू ऐं जय झूलेलाल.
जय झूलेलाल. हेलो मिस्टर चंद्रू गौड़ा.
Thank you. It was wonderful that they invited me to Swachh Bharat for cleanliness and health, and the group is very nice, and I'm very happy they invited me, and I love to come again and again to here, and everybody should be neat and clean and make city clean and healthy. What do you call? Fitness freak it should be, then everybody likes you more. Thank
You go for gymming regularly?
Affinity, I go for a gymming in Affinity. I am the regular Affinity guy because I like to work out every day for 1 hour.
And that's because your occupation also have a need for it.
Yeah, exactly, because my work is like that, so that's why I want to be fit, and if you be fit and your mind also be very nice and your face also will glow and your body will be also fit and perfect.
As far as I know, you had even come to the bowling competition and bowling event.
Yeah, it was wonderful, and she had Shubha ma'am have invited me, so I had come. It was that there also it was wonderful.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Thank
I
you.
would always want you for every event.
Definitely. Thank you.
Hi, we are speaking to Tanuja, the dietitian advisor over here in Affinity.
Okay, hello, good morning.
It's nice to have you with us.
Same here, it's nice talking to you all.
So how do you feel seeing all this event?
It was a very superb event. It's like, it's very amazing to see that people of all ages are so conscious about fitness. They're also very nice about, the enthusiastic, the energy levels was really up to the mark. It's really appreciable.
Do you want to advise us something on diet?
Yes, of course. As a dietitian, I would always like people to eat healthy, live healthy, and always have a healthy country, clean and a healthy country.
Cleanliness, of course, now it's going to be the first priority among everybody after Modi ji has said so. But could you tell some tips on diet?
Diet as such, I just want everybody to have a very healthy lifestyle. They need not be very cautious about what they are eating, how much they are eating. Only thing is there should be a right choice of food, and that should be eaten at the right time. It shouldn't be like, see, apple is very healthy, but it's only if you're eating at 11 o'clock in the morning. The same apple, if you're eating at 11 o'clock in the night, is never going to be helpful to you. So
You mean the right time is more important?
Yes, and we need not really worry about the numbers, how many calories and all. It's just enjoy your food, but eat it in a right way at the right time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Sonali here with us, and she's a dancing star of the Sindhis.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So you want to talk in Sindhi or you want to talk in English?
I think I prefer English because when you tell it out to someone, I think English is better.
This is for Sindhu Darshan TV, so you can talk in Sindhi also if you want.
Sure, definitely.
How do you feel like being a part of Nai Soch?
I feel it amazing. It's energizing, and I think it just keep on moving the youth. So I really love it.
So you took a part in the event?
Yes, I definitely took a part in an event, and I did Bokwa. It's a Australian exercise which lose your weight, and I did a little bit of belly dance, and you can see happiness all around me.
You feel more energetic performing, is it?
Yeah, a lot.
How do you feel the enthusiasm in all the other youngsters?
I think it's great. I think people are coming. The more the bigger, the more the merrier, they say. And I think more people should come in and exercise every day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So there's a group who performs Zumba. Let's ask them something.
I think you should keep your fitness regime every day. Either you do yoga, walk, whatever you do, give your body a time, fixed time, like an hour or two every day. And today actually we really had so much fun.
Yeah, it was amazing and all of us had a blast, and it's a good form of exercise. So it's very essential to keep oneself fit.
You want to say something?
Yes, it was a fun event. All I can say is stay fit and be healthy.
We all pledge, we want to get healthy, we want to get fit, we want to look better, we will exercise, we will earn our body, because that's the only place we live in. Thank you.
Thank you. This is Anjali Ahuja on behalf of Sindhu Darshan TV with cameraman Raghu taking a talk on the people who took part in the fitness funda of BLC Nai Soch. Thank you.